Hello guys, it's me Cody. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's gonna be amazing, right? Let's the garage now because we aren't. Mom, I'm gonna go to the garage. Okay. Okay, guys. So, sorry. So today we're gonna be doing. We are making slime, but backwards. Sorry, guys. There's really bad lighting here. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna mix this. I'm going to clean this right now. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna get my glue. Sorry, guys. Get my glue. Okie dokie. Sit down. I'm gonna sit down. Okay. Sorry about my hair. I literally woke up like about 20 minutes ago or something. So yeah, let me get my slime out of the way. Okay. So here it is. Oops. Let's go a little more at the top. Okay, so I need a container. Wait. Let me get it. Oh my God. A container. Alright, so I'm gonna use this one. This is really dirty, guys. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some activator, and yes, I use gain. I don't want to put that much because I don't know how my slime's going to turn out. Actually, oh God. Okay, I think that's enough. Guys, is this enough, guys? I don't know. Oh, there's really bad lighting. Can you see it? It's like right there. There's really bad lighting, guys. Oh my God. Anyways, next I'm gonna add some shaving cream. I don't know why I'm tapping it. Alright, that's enough. And now we're supposed to mix it. I guess since it's like what is it called? Since it's like the glue and the shaving cream. Oh, what is this? Gross. Ew, why you in my slime? Dude, why is this in my slime? That is disgusting. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, and guys, if y'all are in Houston, there's really bad weather, and today's Friday, so I didn't go to school. Okay, so here's how it looks. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna add more shaving cream. Is that good? Here's how it looks. Okay, next I'm gonna add some, I don't know if you can see that, but it's some green glue. I don't know how that came out so fast. Let's see how that does. Oh, it's actually turning into some kind of slime. I don't think this is coming out very good. Anyways, I'm gonna add some more. I feel like I'm gonna finish this bottle in this video, so might as well use the whole thing. Come on! Oh my god, I know what to do, guys. I know what to do. Add shaving cream into the glue. Can you see that, guys? I don't know if you can see that, but let's add some shaving cream. Oh, I think I got some on me. Oh wait, hold on. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna add some water. That's enough. Oh, I'm gonna mix it up. Here's how it turned out. Alright, now I'm gonna add it in there. Oh god. It's not even, oh, there we go. It's coming out. Alright. Oh, I got in my leg. Got all in my feet. Now to close this bottle. Great. Got all over my feet. Okay. Oops. Now I need to mix this. See if it makes slime. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put my hands in it. It doesn't feel good. Oh, I know what to add. Water. That's enough. Okay, guys, so I think this was a fail. So, yeah. Gross. Well, I mean, it kind of worked. Let me see if I can do it in the table. Oops, sorry. Did it come into slime? Oh, it kind of did. But it's kind of hard. So, yeah. It's like, oh my god. It's a little bit of a fail, but I'm going to add some more water to see if that works. My hands are a mess. Oh god. Oh my god, guys. Ew. Oh, some got in my leg. No. Okay, guys. This was a fail. This was a fail. Look at this slime. Ew. Oh my god. I mean, it looked good. It looks good in the camera, but in real life, ew. It looks so fluffy, so everything. But when you touch it, yikes. Or when you stretch it, yikes. Okay. So here's my slime that I made with backward slime. You know what? I think the thing that ruined it is the activator and the shaving cream. I think that's what ruined it, but mostly the gain. Like, look at this. It's not even stretchy at all. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video because I kind of wasted all my glue, but this was kind of funny because I mean, it's getting a little better, but I'm going to leave it in some water. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are awesome videos coming up next. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and comment down below. What should I call this mess? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Well, I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.